Package dimensions: 5.842 cms, L, by 7.874 cms, W, by 0.254 cms, H. Package quantity: 1. Product type: auto accessory. Country of origin: China. Plasticolor specializes in licensed automotive accessories. We are proud to represent major, world-class brands in all product categories and maintains manufacturing facilities in Fullerton, California. Our core values are integrity, quality, creativity and collaboration. Creativity is our destination, quality is our path. Top reviews from the United States. Break free from the chains. Someday, somebody's gonna make you wanna turn around and say goodbye. Until then, baby, are you gonna have all of your keys all over the place, or are you gonna store them on this insanely cool lanyard? I have tons of keys and this thing holds them like the defender of the universe that it is. It could probably hold together an entire galaxy, if you ask me. Perfect when you need to grab your keys to run to Toshe station for a power converter.